This video explains how to use the shower on the top floor at the Laurels. So this runs off the combi boiler, and you find you have the power bar here, so you have control of the temperature on the right hand side, and this will turn it on and off. So to turn it on, you turn this away from you and that will turn on the water. Turn it off, just bring it back towards you. For colder water, you turn this away from you and then to get hotter towards you. Now there is a safety button here, so you can't turn it any further, but should you wish to get hotter, you have to push down on this button and then you can turn, but be careful. And then when you turn it back here, you'll see it locks, so you can't turn down to the heat, so you need to push it down again. To adjust the height, you'll find that you have this lever above here, and to adjust it you can just lift it up, move it down, again just lift up slightly and it slides up, and you can suit the height to your preference. And that is how to use the shower in the upstairs bathroom at the Laurels. Thank you.